Hey guys, welcome to my channel Makeup Simplified. It is that time of the year again when we're gonna celebrate, but this time it's a little different. We're gonna be home, but you can still get dressed and have fun. So I'm gonna show you today how I created this glittery smoky eye. And again, as I always do it's gonna be with minimum one palette, but the glitter is gonna be my favorite glitter by NYX, and this thing is amazing. And I had asked on Instagram if you would like me to do a tutorial for this glittery eyeshadow, and you guys said yes, so here it is for you.
I'm starting with my brows using my all-time favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in Ebony. I don't go with thicker brows because that's just not my style. I just fluff them using the spoolie just for a more natural finish. For intense black base, we're gonna go with a gel eyeliner by Bobbi Brown in shade Black. I've used the tape for a reference. Now this eyeliner is intensely pigmented, so take off any extra from the brush. And less is more when it comes to these gel eyeliners.
Now, using a round brush or little small brush like this, we're gonna smudge it all.
This brush has fibers that are really closely packed, so it helps with intense smudging. At the same time, it's gonna keep my shape of the eyeliner. Now, I haven't done this in the video, but what I would recommend is you should apply the eyeliner on one eyelid first, then smudge it, and then do it on the other side, because the gel eyeliner dries up really fast and that it can make it really hard to blend it afterwards or to smudge it afterwards. I'm going to start with the NYX Utopia palette, which was released recently, and I'm going to go with the black eyeshadow from it. I'm using the same brush that I used earlier. Now this powder, this black eyeshadow, helps to set that gel eyeliner, and blending it will create that smoky eye. Using the pink nude shade from the same palette, I'm going to now define my crease and blend it really well. We'll go slightly above the crease also, just to blow out the color so it gives that nice almond shape to your eyes. Using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend the edges to blow the color and make it subtle near the brow bone, where it would seamlessly blend in with the highlighter that will go on later. Now using this silvery glittery eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it on the 3/4 of my lid, starting from the inner corner. And I'm using fingertips for this because that helps the color to stay on really well, and it shows the color on the eyelids. This is going as the base for my glitter eyeshadow. Glitters by itself may not look that opaque, and you might not be able to see them that much if you don't have anything underneath it. So this is like a canvas. For any glitter eyeshadow, glitter adhesive is a must. The Sephora glitter adhesive spreads easily and forms a nice thin layer. Again, do it for one eye at a time so it doesn't dry up and then your glitter can stick on it correctly. The NYX Glitter Brilliance in shade Gunmetal is going to go on next. Now I'm using a really nice thin round brush for the application. It's really tempting that you want to use a flat brush, but this just gives me the most control. Now you want to take a little bit at a time and apply it very gently.
Alright, now that everything is settled, I'm gonna just take off any excess. It's normal to have glitter all over. That's what makes it special.
Using the Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon Eyeliner, I'm going to line the bottom lash line. I'm just going 3/4 of the way in. I'm not going all the way to the inner corner of my eyes. I'll start next with a glowy base using a Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. It's very fluid and gives you a nice thin base. Now this I'm going to follow with the Live Tinted Color Corrector in Rise. I'm going under my eyes and also around my mouth, and I'm going to blend it really well. I'll follow this by the Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer in the shade Pearl, and this has a peach undertone and which helps with color correction as well. Now it's a full coverage waterproof concealer, so it won't budge with sweat or tears. I'm following this with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer in shade 11. Now since I have a heavier concealer underneath, I like to keep my foundation or my tinted moisturizer really lightweight. This helps prevent your makeup from getting cakey. Also setting the concealer underneath the eyes using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. Having the powder under the eyes helps when there is any fallout from the eyeshadow application as well. Okay, let's finish the rest of my eye makeup next. I would like to do my lower lashes after the base, as it makes it look more seamless and makes it easier for the concealer to blend under the eyes. I'm using a combination of the black and pink eyeshadows. I'm using the pink to blend it. Now go only about 3/4 from the outer corner because that gives your eyes that doe shape that looks really pretty. It's time for the mascara next. I'm using the Tarte Maneater mascara. I have no idea why it's called that, but it's really good.
So what are your plans for New Year? I know everyone needs to stay home, but what are you gonna do? Tell me in the comments below, what are your plans for New Year?
I'm applying the highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, and now I'm going to take off that powder. I'm applying the bronzer first, and I'm gonna bake underneath from the ear to the angle of the mouth. Follow along to see what I do next with it. For the blush, I've used the Bobbi Brown Cream Blush in Pink Petal, and I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender just to give me a hint of color. And I'm going to follow this with the Milani blush in Dolce Pink. That has a hint of coral shade to it. We'll wipe off the powder next so you can see how it defines my cheekbones. Now I'm going to highlight on all the areas where the light hits naturally to create a glam look.
So I'm using the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip in Surreptitious. I think we're using a little bit of a nude shade because we have a smoky eye, so a nude shade would look really cool with it. Now, the reason why I love this lipstick is it's long-lasting and transfer-proof, so for a New Year's party, it's perfect. And with the lip liner, I'm just gonna give it a little bit more definition. And this is the ColourPop Lip Pencil. I always forget the name of this. It is Shot Clock. And then the makeup setting spray. Once you have the makeup setting spray, just use a clean side of your beauty blender to kind of just let the product seep in. Lashes, I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in Samantha or number 7. So here's my final look, guys, and I am wearing an off-shoulder top. So I wanted to show you this look in both outfits. This is like a gunmetal colored dress, and then the morning one was a little pastel orange coral dress. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Makeup Simplified, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to see any more videos, comment in the comment box below. Check my Instagram at make.up.simplified, and if you post any pictures of your makeup looks, do tag me with Makeover by Cash. Press the bell icon so you get notified of all the videos and content I'm posting. I hope you guys try this look. I would really be excited to see this look on you.